Hello, we're live and we're back again. I took some break for about 1 week, so yeah, I'm gonna take it easy and work on some easy stuff, some UI development to get back on the groove of things. Right, so the first thing I want to do is I've been told that by my team, I have a team of three people working on the game now. Me, my wife, and some game, 3D model person. I've been told that there needs to be some the names of the characters what below their portrait. So I'm gonna try adding that. Now, let's see. Dialogues. Yeah, bring that up. Right on the left. Bust image is there. We need the name of the character. Now, how's the dialogue itself? Let me see. It's been some time since I looked at the code, so I have to remind myself. So this is how the dialogues are first opened. And this is not the UI code. There you go. So in here, start. Initialize dialogue system, that's fine. Show dialogue. And okay, so okay, I see. So in each of the dialogue, I need to find the actual scripts. Where can I find the actual scripts? There you go. Now, the question is, should I put the character names here, or should I get it automatically from the bust image path? That's the question, right? I think for now I can get it automatically from the bust image, I think. Although it wouldn't be that difficult to add the names of the characters inside each of these lines. That's probably more flexible, I would say. Yeah, let's do that. So each one of these dialogues, there's a class to find here. So we need to add. Speaker, I guess. It's convenient that the AI is doing all of this for me. I just have to press tab. Oh, I did it too fast there. Oops. All right, and then now we need to put the name tag. How am I going to do that? Let me think. I need to get something like the text here. And I put name. Right, so I'm just gonna put like a placeholder name. Now, let me think. The width is going to be a little too big. I'll probably do something like that. Okay, I see it there. You would have to be in the middle here like that. Height is going to be something like that. Probably so whatever the bust image is, we just need to copy it. But okay, so it's doing this. All right. Something like that, and then yep. And then we need to add some background, I guess. Let's reduce the height of it. No, it's still not covering here, so I actually need to increase. Okay, so how would I put background here? 3D, UI, I guess panel, image, or can I just put image here? I guess I could, right? Okay. Somehow it didn't like it, so oh, it actually I need oh, okay. So what we need is we need to get a and create an empty, I guess. Copy the transform. Right, and then take the label. There you go. The label itself is also going to be there you go. The background is going to be a 70, I guess. Yeah, something like that. Now we need to copy that and then paste it here. Right, so it's way over here. Let me see, post image 174. There you go. Right, so we have the name on both the left and right. Okay. So now we are going to save the prefab first. So asset prefabs UI. There you go. So dialog UI now needs to have left panel, right panel. There you go. If I click here, it's gonna expect left speaker name, which I passed a label, and then right speaker name. Label. Save that again. Okay, now I need to basically tell the AI to in each dialogue line there is speaker name. Can you set the text of the and with this name appropriately when rendering the line. Well, I guess that's it, right? Well, let's test it out. Okay, that's wrong. That should be Royd saying it. That's wrong. Whoops. Okay, let me just quickly double check. I think that's AI making a mistake. Okay, everything looks good. How about here? Royd. No, this is farmer. Royd, farmer. Royd, farmer. Farmer. Royd, 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 farmer. Royd. Royd, Joel, Royd, Joel, Royd, Joel. Okay, we're good. Okay, let me just quickly test again, because I saw the left side. I'm not sure if the right side name. Yeah, I think we're good. All right. Okay, now we need to do what we need to do is we need a separate game state. So, okay, we just go through this. We picked up the quest. We're supposed to talk to the townspeople. Interact. Okay. And then it says you can now open Royd's journal. Right. So now I'm at a point where, I picked up another quest. So I want to actually save that state. So next time I click here, I come to that state instead of I have to keep talking from the beginning again. So I'm going to export that. Okay, so this is the game state. All right. So I don't know how I did the test game state. Test. Well, I guess I would know if I just check here for the test buttons. Load save data button. Okay. Where do I keep all the saved data? Get scenario data. Wait, so okay, Act 1 start doesn't. So this is going to be at the start of what quest was it? Precious necklace. No, it's taking matters to own hands. And apparently there is a folder called test save data. I just don't know where I put that. Oh, there you go. File. And I would call this Act 1 taking matters to own hands. That doesn't look right. Let me see. Can you convert? Can you convert this JSON to be more like this JSON? Because this is all stringified. I want it to be an actual JSON like this. All right. I think we're good. And there you go. So, hold on. That doesn't look right. And that looks like this is Royd. Sorry, Joel, who's injured. What is going on? Let me look at the save data. Characters: Royd, Joel. Injury, health penalty, 30. Why? That's not right. That's not right. Oh, there you go. Okay, so we need to change this. And also the current HP, they're all, that's not good. What's going on here? Current health. So we want the farmer to have full HP, right? So how's it gonna be? So farmer is at level 2, right? Let me. So this is a character class. We need to find out the current HP of the character. And where is the constructor of max HP calculation, base vitality times level. The current farmer's vitality level is 6. So 6 times the level? Why are we doing that? Level is 2. 6 times 2, 12, plus 5, 17. Alright. So we make the farmer to have full HP. So 17. Okay, now at least the farmer is gonna have yeah, full HP. Experience, the farmer should have. Okay, let me see how the level is calculated. Level here, experience 4 level 1.5, 2 minus 1, 1.5 times 100, so that would be 150. I believe if I do that, then farmer is gonna have 0 EXP at level 2. No, that's not it. How? Wait, this is the experience I gave it. Oh, this is so weird. If I put 0, what happens? No, nothing changes. Why is that? Okay, so let me check what code is actually character list item. Okay, so I set the farmer's EXP to be 0, but in the UI using he is showing up as level 2 with 50 EXP. Why is that? Don't touch my code, just explain. No, it's more like the UI is displaying Joel's EXP. But the label clearly says it's the farmer. Wrong data being passed. Character list dot says. We are filtering out the characters are disabled. So Joel should have been skipped. Right now it's empty. That's crazy. Why the EXPs keep showing 50? It's like it's completely ignoring this. What if I change this to 0? That's crazy. That's still showing that. What is actually happening? Can we add some? Add some debug prints to trace. Perfect. The debug log reveals exactly what's happening. The JSON is still in the old escaped format. Really? That's odd. The game is still loading the old escaped JSON format, not our converted file. That's wild. What? How do I debug this? So we are loading 100 EXP correctly, but then it goes through another update where it gets overwritten. How could I debug this to find out what is overriding the loaded farmer data? so AI is going into the game saver. All right, so let's try to run it. Something adds farmer second time. Really? Oh, maybe this. I think that was the reason. There you go. That was the reason. All right, so I'm gonna reject everything. Okay, that looks good. And then I'm also gonna have to do something like in the character. Oh, this is character save data. Yeah, this is the individual character. Right, so I'm gonna have to put... No, this is characters. I need just regular character. And I'll have to put something like recover fully. Okay, and then there you go. Something like that. And then here. After adding the farmer, we're gonna do something like that. So then Royd is going to fully recover his HP as well. There you go. Okay. All right, so we're good. Now we do show this message when that request is accepted. We show this. You can now open Royd's journal to learn about combat monsters and more. This journal serves as your help guide. And I would have to add the journal, which is going to be another UI in the console, right? And then content, interesting. Right, so I will put this button outside of it. Oops. $200, width is 400, height is 117. Okay. And the position, $150. There you go. The height, let's bring it here like that. I think that's good enough. And then label response. What's label response? Okay, we're gonna say journal, and the icon itself, hopefully we can find something that's like information kind of. There's no info. Anything that reminds me of information, that would be good. Doesn't look like it. And also, if it's since it's a journal, maybe we can find something that looks like a book. Oh, there you go. Okay, I guess that works. Okay, so Once this is clicked, this button is clicked, what should happen? Console tab button on click. Okay, so first of all, let's add this to the console prefab. What the? How come it's not saving? Well, that's odd. Oh no, it did save. Did it? Oh yeah, it did. It looks kind of wonky, but okay. So once this is clicked, we have to have an UI that will explain to the user the details of the monster and things like that, right? So let me think. I mean, we could have two panels approach still. I guess in here we will have, let's say, monsters. What else? Food items, I guess. Classes. Things like that. Skill items, food items. Yeah, so classes, skill item, classes, monsters, skill items, and food items, like that, in that order. Okay. All right, so in that case, we would say this, the tab, we need to add another tab. Well, let me just see if the journal shows up in the console now. Yeah, so this should only show up if we are past a certain quest, right? Right, so here we have console tab button. But we will have a special case. Console tab button, we're gonna have a special case. Journal tab button. And then we're gonna say name space UI. Okay, so here I want to display the journal tab button only after a certain quest has reached. So here I'm gonna have to have public quest name, and then I'm gonna call it quest name. No, enable target quest, something like that. Right. No need to handle on click in. What's default? Is quest in past or current? So initially the journal button is not gonna show up. Oh, still shows up. That's not good. Oh, because I didn't add the script. There you go. Weird. If the quest hasn't been reached. Too many obvious comments.
It's still showing up, right? It's not right. Journal button is still showing up. How do you handle sorry, how do you hide it? Oh, because do I have enable target quest? I don't even. What? There you go. There you go. But then if I load, there you go. That's what I wanted. All right. And then, yeah, I'm gonna stop there for now. I'm just getting back to the game development, so I don't want to push myself too much. So I guess next stream is going to be also boring as well, because I'm going to be working on the UI part of the journal, where I'm going to be putting in some help guides. But hopefully after that I can we are planning on working on so for example, one second, I should really save the console prefab. Okay, we are working on getting the character out of this town, and then the next area we're working on that. Probably the development is going to be a little bit slower, because the person who's working on the maps is my wife, and she's going to be taking 1 week vacation herself, traveling. So yeah, we'll have to wait. All right, thanks everybody.